Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to differentiate composite function using chain rule. Chain rule is suitable to differentiate composite function. Example, if we are given y is equal to f of g of x, this is a composite function. We have the inner function and the outer function. In this kind of function, it is easy to use chain rule to differentiate. Example, to our question, we have given y is equal to 3x squared plus 5 power 4. This is a composite function. We have the inner function that is 3x squared plus 5, and we have the outer function that has power 4. For that case, it is easy for us to use chain rule, which says dy over dx is equal to dy over du multiplied by du over dx. Now, y is equal to, in the bracket, 3x squared plus 5 power 4. Let u is equal to inner function, which is 3x squared plus 5. I'm going to differentiate the inner function with respect to x. Du over dx, this is equal to 3 multiplied by, I'm going to drop 2 down, 2, x, I'll reduce by 1, that is going to be power 1, plus 0. Du over dx, this is equal to 6x. Since we let the inner function equal to u, now we have y is equal to u power 4. dy over du, this is equal to 4u power 3. But dy over dx is given by dy over du times du over dx. This is by chain rule. Already, we have du dx is equal to 6x, dy du is equal to 4u cubic, and u is equal to 3x squared plus 5. I'm going to substitute those into chain rule. Let us substitute dy over dx. This is equal to dy over du, which is equal to 6x, multiplied by du over dx, which is equal to 4u cubic, but u is equal to 3x squared plus 5. dy over dx, this is equal to 6x multiplied by 4, u is equal to 3x squared plus 5. This is power 3. So, dy over dx, this is equal to 24x 3x squared plus 5 power 3. Let us see question number 2. We have y is equal to sine x squared plus 1. For this case, our inner function is x squared plus 1, and our outer function is sine. Let the inner function equal to u. Now u is equal to x squared plus 1 du dx. This is equal to 2x. Now y is equal to, the inner function is equal to u, will be equal to sine of u, dy over du, this is equal to cos u. dy dx is equal to du dx, which is equal to 2x, multiplied by dy du, which is equal to cos u. dy dx, this is equal to 2x multiplied by cos u is equal to x squared plus 1, that is x squared plus 1. Now, dy over dx, this is equal to 2x cos x squared plus 1. Hope you understand the two questions we have done together. For more questions on differentiation, you can check my playlist over here.